Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between the iPhone 16 and the iPhone 15 Pro to see which device is going to be better in terms of hardware specs and the daily performance. So here we go. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our devices. So first of all, let's just start with the Antutu benchmark. So here you can see that the iPhone 16 scored 1.669084 million points and the iPhone 15 Pro scored 1.681059 million points. So the winner is the iPhone 15 Pro. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and as you can see in CPU, GPU and UX, the winner is iPhone 16, and in memory, the winner is iPhone 15 Pro. The difference is kind of negligible when it comes to GPU and UX performance, but still iPhone 16 is scoring more points compared to iPhone 15 Pro, but in memory, the difference is massive and iPhone 15 Pro is scoring nearly 30% more points, and our concern is the overall score, and in that as well the winner is iPhone 15 Pro. So let's go back from here and now let's have a look on the Geekbench 6. So in this you can see the iPhone 15 Pro scored 2964 in single core and 7455 in multi-core, while iPhone 16 scored 3500 in single core and 8802 in multi-core. So the winner is iPhone 16 here. If we go to the GPU test, so in GPU test, the iPhone 15 Pro scored 27,338 and iPhone 16 scored 28,100. So once again, the winner is iPhone 16. So in all of these three tests, the single core and multi-core of the CPU test and in the GPU test, the winner is iPhone 16. Now if we go to the 3D Mark, here in Wildlife Extreme, the iPhone 15 Pro scored 3808 with 28.8 FPS and iPhone 16 scored 3607 with 21.6 FPS. So in Wildlife Extreme, the winner is iPhone 15 Pro. If we go to the Solar Bay, then in this, iPhone 15 Pro scored 5634 with average frame rate of 21.4 FPS and iPhone 16 scored 6849 with average 26 FPS. So in this, the winner is iPhone 16. So as we can see, performance of iPhone 16 is a bit better compared to what you will get on iPhone 15 Pro. The difference is not too much, but still the iPhone 16 is getting a bit better point when it comes to benchmarking test score result. But does not matter which device you are going to buy, you will be totally happy with the performance for sure. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.